Here I have write the three questions, but they are not three questions. They are only one question. But the theorem is, as you know, that this the Thales theorem or proportionality theorem or statement is given. Ready? These three different types of this particular question can be asked in examination. First one is write the statement and basic proportionality theorem, or else also they can ask in examination by using Thales theorem. Or third one is the statement is given. In two case, first and last, you have to write the statement, and statement is over here. Ready? But in case statement is given, at that time you have to directly prove. You have to write. If a line is drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle, ready? Over here, the given is, see over what is given over here that in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we have to draw a line which is BC, which is parallel to DE. Ready? And this line cut AB to this point D and AC to point this E. Ready? In particular, this triangle BC, DE is perpendicular, DE is parallel to BC. We have drawn over here. That means that is the given in this particular question. What we have to prove? Prove comma. After this comma, that means we have to prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Ready? Other two sides means rather than BC. That means AB and AC. They are divided in the same ratio. That means we have to prove that AD upon DB, which is equals to AE upon EC. Ready? This is given, and this term we have to prove. Ready? So first of all, see over here. First of all, we have to draw. We have to join this point BE and DC. So prove. First of all, join BE and CD in triangle. After that, draw a perpendicular from this point D to AE. For example, this is the perpendicular from this point D to this small triangle AE, and give the name DM. Ready? Similarly, from this point E, we have to draw a perpendicular on AD, that is this point, and EN. Perpendicular मतलब in 90 degree बन जाएगा. Perpendicular from E on AD. In short, यहाँ हमने क्या किया है? DM, which is perpendicular this AE, and EN, which is perpendicular to this particular AD. Clear? Now, as we know that what is the formula of area of this triangle? Area of triangle. What is the formula of area of triangle? As we all know that 1/2 into base into altitude. This is the simple formula of area of triangle. So see, first of all, this is a triangle ADE. We have to find out first of all area of triangle ADE. So 1/2 into, so see first of all over here, in particular this upper triangle which is ADE, we have to take as AD as a base, if we take AD as a base, then we have to take altitude is NE. Ready? In case I have taken AE as a base, that at that time, what is the perpendicular of AE? Matlab altitude of AE, that is we have to take DM. But for the first time, we have to take from this left hand side, and after that we have to go for right hand side. क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं मैं? What upper triangular is given, that is AD. First of all, I have to take both the left side triangle. So left side triangle means the new upper triangle is ADE. I have take AD as a base. So AD into the perpendicular of AD, that is NE. Equation number 1. Similar. The lower triangular, but which triangle? See over here. This shaded region triangle that we have to take over here, that is BDE. So what is the area of triangle BDE? 1 by 2 into base. What is the base over here? I have take in this particular triangle BDE. If I take BD as a base, then what is the altitude of this particular triangle BDE? So see over here, this BDE triangle is obtuse triangle. In particular, obtuse triangle, altitude is outside of this triangle. How? If you see from this side, I have taken out this triangle from over here. See, this is my point D, this is point B, and E point is over here. So this something like that obtuse triangle, and in particular this kind of triangle, if I have to take BD as a base, then my perpendicular, that means altitude is outside of this triangle, which is perpendicular this line, and this length I have to take as perpendicular from this particular obtuse triangle. Matlab in this triangle, upper triangle AD is base. If I take AD as base, then I have to take NE as altitude, which is inside, because this triangle is acute triangle. But see over here, this angle is obtuse. So particular in kind of this triangle, the altitude is outside of this triangle, and is particular this, see over here, I green all this green area. That means पहले मैंने यहाँ तक ग्रीन किया था और लास्ट में मैंने यहाँ, मतलब जो E पॉइंट और यहाँ क्या पॉइंट बन जाएगा हमारा N पॉइंट. मतलब if I take BD as a base, then my perpendicular is NE. So here the NE. This is the equation number 2. Ready? See, this thing is for only understanding. Ready? Now next, triangle simply ADE. The area of triangle ADE, simply 1 by 2 base into altitude. If I take A, right angle triangle, right side triangle, that means if I take as AE as a base, then what is the altitude of this particular AE side? That is simply DM. Equation number 3. Next, right angle triangle, right side triangle, that is okay. सी मैं ये ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ DEC. रेडी? Upper triangle is AD, in particular this upper triangle, second time I have taken as AE as a base and DM is altitude. So particular for this triangle, DEC, area of triangle DEC 1 by 2. If I take base as EC, then similar to this triangle, पर्टिकुलर में इस BDE ट्राइंगल में बेस क्या लिया था BD, तो उसका परपेंडिकुलर मतलब एल्टीट्यूड क्या बन गया था एनी. सिमिलर आप इस तरफ से देखिए इस पर्टिकुलर ट्राइंगल को DEC को, तो इफ आई टेक EC एज ए बेस देन माय परपेंडिकुलर इज DM. DM is my perpendicular perpendicular this DEC obtuse triangle, that is DM. Clear? Okay. Next, see in this particular for both the triangles, for this triangle BDE and triangle DEC, both are same base triangle. So you have to remember, just think that particular on the same basis of triangle, and this both are parallel lines. Ready? So particular this left hand triangle, that is BDE having same base, that is DE, as well as right angle triangle, that is DEC, also they having same side, that is DE. Matlab is both are, if both are parallel lines, see over here, if both are parallel triangle, if I point these two things AB, so particular this ABC का triangle, this ABC1 का triangle, ABC2 as well as whatever you take as C3, मैंने यहाँ जो भी जितने भी triangle draw किए उस सभी का एरिया क्या होगा सेम. तो इस पर्टिकुलर फंडा का यहाँ हम यूज करेंगे. BDE and DEC both are same base triangle, so area of triangle BDE, which is equals to area of triangle DEC. Clear? So next, first of all we have to take the ratio of this equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, if we take the ratio of these two, triangle ADE upon triangle BDE, so here 1 by 2 AD any upon 1 by 2 BD any. So here any cancel, 1 by 2 cancel. Then what is the answer over here? That is AD upon BD, equation number 5. Next, from this equation 3 and 4, so from equation 3 and equation 4, if you take the ratio of these two terms, that is ADE upon DEC, so 1 by 2 AE DM upon 1 by 2 EC. DM. So 1 by 2 DM cancel. Answer is AE upon EC, equation number 6. See over here, as we note that the BDE and DEC both are same base triangle and both having same area. मतलब C but this equation 5 and 6 particular this equation number 5 and 6 numerator ADE as well as numerator ADE both are same, and we have to prove that we have to written over here that the area of triangle BDE and DEC both are also equal, matlab BDE as well as DEC both are equal. In short, left hand side of this equation 5 and 6 are same, so you can write the right hand side as well as same. So from equation 6 and 5, if left hand side both are same, so you can take right hand side as also same, that is AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC. That we have to prove in basic proportionality theorem as well as Thales theorem. In case we have to write the statement, so first of all we have to write this particular statement, and now you have to start from this point given to have to prove.